Have you ever wondered about the origins of the vibrant land that bridges Europe and Asia, Turkey? Our journey begins in ancient Anatolia, a cradle of civilization where the Hittites, Phrygians, and other cultures thrived. This region's history is as old as time itself, with iconic cities like Troy and Ephesus serving as significant epicenters of culture, trade, and power. With such a rich past, ancient Anatolia set the stage for what was to come. Fast forward to the 4th century, Byzantium, later known as Constantinople, takes center stage. With the Roman Empire's capital relocated here, it marked the rise of the Byzantine Empire. This empire was a beacon of civilization, with its stunning architectural marvels and profound cultural influence. It was a major hub for trade and politics, thus playing a significant role in shaping history. The Byzantine Empire held fast for centuries, but change was on the horizon. As the Byzantine Empire waned, a new power emerged in the 13th century, the Ottoman Empire. Founded by Osman I, the empire began its ambitious journey from a small Anatolian state to a global powerhouse. Gaining momentum under a series of competent leaders, the Ottomans transformed their realm into an empire that commanded respect and fear. The pinnacle of Ottoman power was reached in the 16th century under the reign of Suleiman the Magnificent. The empire's territories spanned 3 continents, encapsulating diverse cultures, languages, and religions. Istanbul, the renamed Constantinople, became a bustling metropolis, reflecting the empire's prosperity and cultural richness. However, the empire's glory was not everlasting. By the late 19th century, the once invincible Ottoman Empire faced significant internal and external challenges. Political instability, military defeats, economic crises, and the growing national consciousness of its diverse subjects led to the empire's decline. The once mighty Ottoman Empire faced challenges, setting the stage for a new era. In 1923, a new chapter began with the founding of the Republic of Turkey by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. Ataturk, a visionary leader, embarked on a transformative journey, implementing sweeping reforms that would shape the Turkey we know today. He championed secularism, breaking the centuries-old bond between religion and state, and introduced a new civil code that acknowledged women's rights, a bold move in that era. Ataturk's legacy continues to influence the ethos of modern Turkey. Today, Turkey is a vibrant nation that beautifully blends Western and Eastern influences. It's a place where the call to prayer mingles with the bustle of city life, where ancient ruins coexist with modern architecture. Its rich culture, bustling bazaars, diverse gastronomy, and historical sites are captivating, drawing in travelers from around the globe. From ancient times to the present, Turkey's history is a captivating blend of cultures, empires, and modernity. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the rich history of Turkey in just 3 minutes. This fascinating story of ancient civilizations, empires, and modernity truly showcases the captivating spirit of Turkey. If you found this journey as enlightening as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more enthralling history content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious.